Naniniwala ka ba na maganda yung pupuntahan mo? At naniniwala ka ba na kaya mo? Here's the problem with most people. For example, business. Business is a vehicle. A vehicle that will take you from who you are now to who you want to become. Business opportunities are vehicles for you para makamit yung mga pangarap mo. The problem with most people is kahit nakita na nila na yung vehicle kaya silang dalhin sa pangarap nila, ayaw pa rin nilang sumakay. Ang dali, di ba? Kung gusto mong pumunta ng Cubao, sasakay ka lang papuntang Cubao, at kung sure ka na may nakakarating ng Cubao, may evidences ka, kasi nakita mo na sa iba. Ang problema, when it comes to achieving your goals, when it comes to reaching a certain dream, when it comes to creating results, a lot of people still can't believe. And that's the purpose of this framework, for us and for you to understand.